Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin, and in my last video, I spoke about SaaS ideas, niching down and localizing to create life-changing opportunities. Today, we're taking that discussion even further and exploring how the entire software industry is on the brink of a massive transformation. Remember how I said we're moving from a supermarket model to a mom and pop shop model in the software world, and where everyone can become an entrepreneur. Well, get ready, because I think it's happening way faster and more dramatically than I originally thought. Let me paint you a picture of what I mean. Imagine walking down a street lined with specialized boutiques instead of one massive generic department store. Each boutique caters to a specific niche, offering personalized service and unique products. That's the future of SaaS. A landscape filled with specialized micro companies, each solving specific problems for specific audiences. I also believe that the entire software stack is about to be rebuilt. But here's the kicker. It's not going to be done by tech giants. Instead, it's going to be accomplished by an army of small companies, each with just 3 to 12 people. These micro companies are set to topple giants, and here's how they're going to do it. At the core of these new companies, there are two critical decisions that set them apart. First, these companies demand that every team member uses every available tool at their disposal. We're talking about AI, automation, cutting-edge tech, everything. And the goal to be 100 or even 200% more productive than the traditional company. Imagine a developer who can churn out code at twice the speed, or a designer who can create stunning UIs in half the time. That's the power of leveraging AI and automation tools effectively. Now try to implement this today in an established software company, and you'll likely be met with some sort of resistance and probably laughed out of the door. Their old system just cannot keep up. That's why these new agile micro companies have an upper hand. They don't face the same organ rejection. They're built from the ground up to be AI native and hyper efficient. Now, the second decision is to have lean operations. These companies strip away all the traditional corporate infrastructure, no administrative help, no HR or finance departments. Everything that isn't directly related to the product development is handled by workflows, bots, or AI logic. Think about it. How much time and money is wasted in traditional companies on bureaucracy and red tape? In our micro companies, all that goes out of the window. Every person is focused on creating value, not pushing papers. This is only possible in a flat hierarchy where ideas can flow freely and information spread like wildfire. In business, where speed is king, this communication superpower is your secret weapon. No more waiting for memos to trickle down through layers of management. Everyone's in the loop all of the time. Now let's talk about the most crucial document in this new world, the PRD, Product Requirement Document. This isn't just any product blueprint. It's an incredibly detailed blueprint of your MVP, or minimum viable product. In this new paradigm, you're not writing much code yourself. Instead, you're pouring your energy into defining with excruciating details like the exact feature set, the parameters of each feature, user stories, and the use cases. Think of it as creating hyper-detailed architectural plan before building a house. The more precise your plan is, the smoother the construction process is. Once you have this hyper-detailed product blueprint, you feed it into an AI model, which then spits out the foundational structure of the app. You just need to add some final touches and test the code, and voila, you have a working product. This approach is a game changer. With just a fraction of the effort traditionally required, these micro companies can create products that rival and sometimes surpass those of industry giants. Think about it. In this new world, there's no room for investing hundreds of millions into a SaaS company. It just simply doesn't make any sense. Why? Because these small, lean, 3 to 12 person companies can price their products at a fraction of what incumbents charge. The big players are dragged down by massive operational costs that aren't tied to features, but to maintaining a global infrastructure of 10,000 people across, 10 offices worldwide. All of that becomes obsolete in our new software landscape. Like I said, we're moving from a supermarket model to a mom and pop shop model in this micro company revolution. It's small, hyper efficient teams leveraging AI and automation to create powerful specialized software solutions. The software industry is undergoing a seismic shift. The future belongs to agile, AI-powered micro companies that can maneuver and outperform these tech giants. It's a future where efficiency, specialization, and innovative use of AI tools are the keys to success. So, my fellow future entrepreneurs, are you ready to be part of this revolution? Remember, in this new world, you don't need millions in funding or hundreds of employees. All you need is a brilliant idea, a detailed plan, and the courage to leverage AI and every tool at your disposal. Now, if you've been following this channel, you know I'm always advocating for using Laravel and embrace the frameworker mindset. This approach aligns perfectly with our microcompany revolution. Laravel is an ideal tool for these lean AI-powered teams we're talking about. And because the future of software development isn't just about coding, it's about leveraging the right tools and the right framework. And yes, the right AI to build amazing products with small agile teams. That's what being frameworker is all about in this new era. Now I know some of you might be thinking, what about security? What about complex business logic? These are valid concerns, and they're exactly why humans are still crucial in this process. At the end of the day, AI is still a tool, not a replacement. It's there to handle these heavy lifting and boring tasks, allowing you to focus on what you love, the unique value your creativity brings. And as we wrap up, I want to leave you with a challenge. Start thinking about how you can apply these principles to your own projects or business ideas. What niche problems can you solve with AI-powered micro company? Remember, the future of SaaS isn't about building the next tech giant. It's about creating efficient AI-powered solutions that solve real problems for specific audiences. It's about being nimble, adaptive, and always on the cutting edge. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And share your thoughts in the comments. And see you on the next video. All right? Bye.
In my mind from dawn till night, chasing that bag, gotta get it tight. Robin's in the zone, working till it's right. Fresh lines, clean design, cash flow in sight.